Every few decades, a military rebuilds itself from the ground up. Right now, the US is doing exactly that. New bomber, new tank, new rifle, new missile, all at once. Here are 5 weapons so new, most people have never seen them in action. This bomber was designed to be invisible, not just to radar, but to almost everything. It's the first new US stealth bomber unveiled in over 30 years. Its flying wing shape has no vertical surfaces at all, nothing for radar to lock onto. It can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons and fly without a crew if the mission requires it. The last aircraft like this took decades to replace. This one didn't wait for a war to prove why it exists. The Army just fielded its first new combat vehicle in decades, and it's not technically a tank. The M10 Booker was built to support infantry, not replace the Abrams. It's nearly 10 tons lighter, which means it can cross bridges most tanks can't. But it still carries a 105mm cannon, enough to destroy fortified positions instantly. It's light enough to keep up with soldiers and heavy enough to clear the way for them. The standard US rifle round hasn't fundamentally changed since Vietnam. The XM7 fires something completely different, a round built to punch through body armor that stops every rifle it's replacing. It's chambered for a new 6.8mm cartridge, firing at higher pressure than any rifle round the Army has fielded. Paired with a smart scope that calculates range and windage automatically. This isn't an upgrade, it's the first ground-up rifle redesign in half a century. This missile replaces a system that's been in service since the 1980s. The Precision Strike missile flies twice as far as the one it's replacing, hitting targets over 400 kilometers away. 2 of these fit in a launch pod that used to carry only one older missile. Same launcher, double the missiles, twice the range. It's not just an upgrade, it's the same truck suddenly carrying twice the firepower. This helicopter can lift more than almost anything else in the US military's inventory. The CH-53K can carry over 36,000 pounds externally, roughly the weight of 2 fully loaded school buses. It can do that in the same conditions that grounded its predecessor: high altitude, extreme heat, zero visibility. Every part of it was rebuilt from the ground up, not just upgraded. It doesn't just fly heavy loads, it flies them where nothing else could. 5 systems, 1 military rebuilding itself in real time. If you want the full breakdown on any of these individually, check the channel. New videos daily.